Justice for £2? Sounds impossible. It's happening now. In the UK, a law firm run by AI just got approved. Meet Garfield AI, the first law firm with no human lawyers, just artificial intelligence. And the price, as low as £2. Someone owes you money but won't pay up? This AI will send them a legal demand letter for you, cost only £2. If they still don't pay, it can help take them to court. Filing a case through the AI costs about £50. That's a fraction of what a lawyer would charge. For everyday people and small businesses, this is a game changer. Every year, billions of pounds in small debts go uncollected. Why? Because lawyers are too expensive. Garfield AI could change that. Even judges are paying attention. One top judge says tech like this is key to making justice accessible. The legal world is shaken. It feels like science fiction, but it's real. Traditional lawyers might be nervous. For everyone else, it's a win. Would you trust an AI lawyer with your case? Let us know in the comments. If this amazed you, share this video and follow for more, because the AI revolution is just getting started.